Where is the sunnies? I bought a new pair of sunglasses from ASOS. I want to wear it for you guys today and do a look. I want to do like a green inner corner look, and I have my base done. I actually did a previous video. This is my summer drugstore makeup video. If you guys have not watched it, go out and click onto the link, but right now I'm just gonna add on a little bit more of makeup to show you guys like a green baddie look. So this is, ooh, I look funny though. Okay, no kissing. Blah blah blah. No. No one does that in her own room. Okay, so right now I'm gonna do a green eye look I saw on Instagram, so I want to copy it and recreate it. I brought out my James Charles palette even though everyone burned it, but it's still pretty new. I have not really used it. Just like that. Ah, it looks so nice with the background. But I'm gonna use like Social Blade, this green color, and just do my inner corners and then also like darken my eyeliner. Today I want to use my NYX eyeliner. This one is really good for wing liner if you know how to control. I took a while to learn it, so today I'm just gonna do it. And I think I'm gonna darken my bronzer as well and also give myself a nicer highlight. I mean a more blinding highlight, and I actually got this from Morphe. This is the 8L Lo-Fi Sculpt and Shimmer Highlight Plus Contour Palette Illuminator and Contouring. Looks like that. And it has 8 shades for a glam glow. Since I already have like an eyeshadow wing liner going on, so I'm just gonna extend it right now. It's good to have an eyeshadow wing liner before you do your real wing liner, because I think this is more precise and you can just trace on your eyeshadow wing liner. It's easier, and especially if you're a beginner, I think it's great to start off like that. I just trace along my eyeshadow and it looks like that. Okay, so I'm going in with the green shadow. So I'm gonna use the brightest green here. I'm gonna use the Catrice spray. So matte finish. Bronze up my face a little bit more. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna use, ooh, it almost slipped off my hands. Ah! Okay, so I'm gonna use Donut, and then I'm gonna use this color to highlight my face a little bit more. I wanna use a denser brush. Okay, so I'm gonna use Donut. This is the Morphe E4 brush. I'm gonna use this bronzer as my blush, so it's gonna look very toasted cinnamon-y color, very brown. But my brows are not dark enough. Insta Baddie usually have dark brows, so I'm going in with this Goof Proof brow pencil, my fave. Very carved out eyebrows, so I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal Define concealer in C6.5. It's very fair on my skin, so it can just, you know, highlight my brow area. And then I'm gonna go in with Lid, the highlighter color. JS brush from Morphe as well. Whew. Oh my god, this is blinding. I think this is pretty much it. Should I do any lip color? I have already overdrawn my lips with this Colourpop Brink. Who am I even kidding? Okay, so I'm gonna hack falsies. I think this is great. It looks natural, yet like, you know, there's a pop of color here. Not too much of an Insta baddie at all. I think it's just more like a neon green on my eye, and I really like it. It's still subtle, summery, and it just is very simple, yet gives a very like booms effect. So I'm gonna use High Maintenance by Dollsoutbeauty right now. My lash line. I think it really did amp up the look with my false lashes. At first I didn't want to put on falsies, but I think this look, this Insta baddie look, has to look like that. And it's so pretty. Oh my god, I really like this look right now. So if you guys like this video, remember to give me a like and subscribe down below, and if you guys have any video ideas, please leave it in the comment down below. And also, if you like any of this makeup and you recreated it on Instagram or YouTube, please tag me on it and follow me on all my social media. I'm always on Instagram because I'm an Instagram whore, and my account is at @KELKLTAN, and I'll see you guys there. See you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah!